cleavage all out. Ooh. Hello. It has been a while. Hello to the ones who have been here, my loyal 3 subscribers. I am going on vacation very, very soon. In about a month, I will be going to Punta Cana, which is in the Caribbean, I believe. And no, it's not that I'm like rich and just can vacation anywhere. It is because of my boyfriend's sister's wedding. She is getting hitched. Wait, is that the right term for married? I don't know. But yes, it's going to be a destination wedding and I am super excited. So in honor of me going overseas for the first time, because the only plane ride that I've been on was a trip to Baltimore, which is only about an hour. So I don't know what I'm going to do. In honor of that vacation that I'm looking forward to,
I put on my vacation clothes, and with my vacation clothes, you need vacation hair, which isn't this hair.
So that brings us to the video. I wanted to do an unboxing of this hair company that I did lots of research on YouTube, online, on not Amazon, AliExpress. I wanted some cheap, affordable, long-lasting, but cute hair at the same time. Today's company that I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the hair is Tinashe. So this is the package it comes in. I literally just got it today, so I only opened the closure and this pack. Well, I'm sorry, not a closure, a frontal. I'm not a professional, people, do not judge me. And the longest bundle. So that's all that I opened up. But this is how the package came. I ordered it, I want to say either Thursday or Friday. And it got here today. It actually got here earlier. It's supposed to come here tomorrow morning. So I was pretty happy about that because I was trying to just get it all in. So I'm thinking it was going to take 10 days, but nope. Came as soon as it could. So that's pretty nice. I ordered a 14, 16, 18 with a 12-inch frontal lace closure. So let's open it on up. These are 2 of the 3 bundles that I have in there. This is the 14. This is the 16. This is the longest bundle. It is 18 inches. I don't know if I should zoom back, which, I mean, it feels really soft, honestly. I mean, I wasn't too upset. If you order hair often, you always know the way it comes isn't the natural curl pattern. You don't really see the natural curl pattern until you wash it. So I'll be doing that either at the end of this video or in another video. I'll put that at the bottom. But yeah, like that's the weft. It seems okay. I do see like a lump right here, but I don't know. That might just be with them trying to roll it. We can compare. Oh my god, am I pitch shaved? All right, this is the, wait, which one was this one? Oh shit. This is the 16. That's what it looks like. And that's the weft. Oh, and I'm sorry if I didn't mention before. So it's the Brazilian wet and wavy that I got. I do have, sorry, several different options on the website. I think there's like a deep curly and a loose deep curly. They have a lot of options. But I went with the wet and wavy because, you know, I'm trying to look like Moana in the water when I'm getting out. I'm sorry. So this is the 14. Not very long, of course. I don't know. So these are all the bundles put together, which honestly, it's not that bad. There you go. And a lot of the reviews, a lot of people were ordering like, you know, 20, 22, 24, 26, whatever. I ain't got the money for that. That's too expensive. I don't know if I look good with really long hair. I mean, my normal hair comes about here. So I know if I was going to do curly hair, I wanted it like here. It'll come to. It has a scent too, but it just smells like processed hair. It doesn't really, like when you wash weave and like it sits wet, that's what I really just get. It's not really like a stink, I guess you can say. It'll wash out, honestly. So only thing I don't like is that it's not labeled, which I saw a lot of other people had the same issue. The bundles aren't necessarily labeled. They literally all say the same thing. It doesn't really specify. It does say that the hair can be dyed, bleached, and permed. It also lets you know how to maintain the hair perfectly for this specific bundle, which I think is awesome. Let's not forget the most important part of this video, the frontal. Now, people, I am not a professional. I don't even know how to apply a lace front closure, lace front sew-in. I don't know, but I'm gonna try. It is a free part. Honestly, I don't know how to hold it up for the camera. I'm sorry. Hey, that's what it, you know what, that's not working either. Maybe if I put it on the arm. How do you show off a frontal? Bam, bam, bam. Now that we have the proper demonstration set up, you can kind of see, I honestly think it looks pretty good. It does have like these extra straight baby hairs, but them not baby hairs, honey, them bangs. So I would probably honestly cut those. But besides that, I think it looks really good. I probably will still bleach and pluck it to kind of resemble my natural hairline, because that's what Miss Ivy told us. If you don't know who Miss Ivy is, then do some Googling, because you're missing out. So you guys pretty much saw how it came. The look of the hair looks really good. It's super soft. It's actually softer than like any other weave that I've ordered. What I'm gonna do next, if you still want to stick around, I'm going to wet the hair so you can see what it looks like in its natural state. I'm not gonna wash it and dry it in this video because that would take too long, but I will have a second video that's showing me kind of working with the natural curls before I install it, so you can see how it just looks like in its natural ass state. So 1 second. Okay, so I've just got done pretty much just running it under water. I did not spritz it because I feel like that would take forever for 3 bundles. And just kind of like slightly finger comb through it just because I don't want to damage any of the waves or the curls. There wasn't any color coming out, but I could definitely see like some streaks that, you know, that they dyed it a darker color because it seemed really like bright. So there's like some bright pieces sticking out, which, I mean, you know, you're getting processed hair, so that's not too much of a concern. Here is what it looks like. This is the longest one, and no shedding on this one. I mean, what's this? One hair, so we won't count that one. We won't count that one. No, just a piece. This is going to be one of many of, I would call, my vacation series. I want you to join me on this journey as I try to figure this hair out and help me slay for August vacay. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, because if you're not, what you doing? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.